Welcome back, fellow scrubs. This is Marc D. Wiz. I'm here with...
Tim? Hi.
Yep, it's Tim.
You're supposed to say my name, man. Come on.
Tim's back. Shut up, I was pressing a button on the thing to make the screen come up, and I pressed the wrong one, so the wrong screen came up. But now the right screen's up, so we're here.
Sponsored to you by 5 megabit per second.
And Boxcast, right?
Yeah.
Sponsored by fucking Boxcast.
Right.
Yeah. Right, let me
I think you may need a faster connection for boxcasting.
Yeah. 5 meg upload speed. That's why Tim can't watch the screen in real time. He's got to catch the Twitch part. I can't stream the two things at once. Anyway, so we got Ricky. He's walking. Isn't that amazing? Ricky's walking, and he doesn't walk in the walls anymore. He stops at the walls where he's supposed to, for the most part, except for up here, where he gets stuck. Because he's detecting the corner of the... down here.
Gotta fix that.
Yeah, he's detecting the corner of the box there. Fuck, I don't even know what we're gonna do today. I had no time to plan this out. I guess we'll put in the layer mask. Beyond that, I don't know. If my, what's it?
That's why you put the notes in the chat.
Oh yeah, that's right. Well, yeah, I don't... Yeah, I mean, we can attempt to fix that shit. I have no plan for it. I haven't had any time to think about it. But, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how long my stomach holds out. I'm not doing too good today.
One of them should be easy with just the reverse race at 0 distance.
Yeah, just detecting the fact that if it's in a 0 distance situation and it collides with another solid, that it's just nope, it's just not gonna get calculated. But as you can see, Ricky's doing pretty good. He can stop on the points. Don't obstruct into him anymore. See? Let me zoom that in actually. Shift F, right? Follows. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Points don't protrude into Ricky anymore.
The problem was that this system works, but it has a few bugs that we need to iron out.
It does. See here, he won't go down into here. But he can maintain that stuff. Oh, he's getting a little freaked out here. I don't know if that's actually... Oh, that's just the editor that's making it. Yeah, I think it's only the scene view. It seems to be working fine in the other view. Yeah, it's freaking out a little bit.
Probably not because you don't have root camera.
I don't know. Not really sure what it is, but it doesn't seem to...
Like your whole roll is shaking when you do that.
Yeah, I'm not sure what it's about. Doesn't look like he's actually moving. Let's take a look at his values here. So we'll look at his X and Y up here. Actually, hold on, I forgot my spot. I can't even see the goddamn...
view. Why is the camera moving?
Oh, because I told it to follow the player.
Huh.
That's why I figure it might just be a scene view glitch. Yeah, he's not actually moving. His X and Y don't change, so it's just a scene view follow glitch. That's why it's jittering. Yeah, he's doing that in all the corners for whatever reason.
So yeah, the problem you ran into was the one where you were earlier.
Yeah, like here's a good example of how this shit really works. Like this shit really works. He won't go over the point or anything. He actually gets stopped there. I'm actually really impressed with what we did.
Yeah.
So
you gotta go to the one where you hit him inside the collider.
Yeah, that's the one over here. So here's what's happening. He's getting caught in the corner of this thing, and he won't go past that. Now that one's a simple enough one to fix. The one that's not easy to fix is this one. Well, at least doesn't seem to be easy to fix yet. This here, I don't know how the fuck you're gonna tell him not to get caught on that. The thing is, because he's still on the other line here.
Well, no.
Yeah. Look, you think about it, you're like, oh, that can't be too hard to fix, and then you think about it, and you're like, oh, wait a minute. It's a little.
Because we can have
little
points
hairy.
like this protruding from anywhere and still have both sides be allowable walk angles. Right?
Yeah, that's the thing. He can actually technically walk here.
Actually, shall we confirm that? If we hit any spike like that,
Mm-hmm.
will both line refs be walkable points?
Not necessarily. It could be too steep if it was a really steep spike.
We could do this. Okay, curious about this.
But then
Well,
he,
that's
if
spike,
it wasn't walkable, then he would stop here. He wouldn't.
Mark,
He wouldn't get that far anyway.
maybe make it easy. That point is a line ref attached to it, right?
We'd have to figure out how to calculate one, but it's possible.
Well, we can. We have two line refs, a left side and right side.
Essentially,
So higher and
yeah.
lower indexes.
Yeah, essentially 2 lines.
Check if either one of those line refs intersect with your current line ref.
I guess you could check that. I'm not sure how.
Just there's the point intersection in the roll space.
I know. Well, as a blanket rule, I'm not sure if that would work or not. I'd have to think about that.
Because that means the collider, that specific collider, is moving through your current line ref.
It is, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to stop, or that you shouldn't stop for it.
Well, I can't think of another example where
I can already.
do what? Show me.
I'm trying. Oh, well, that intersects my line ref, but I want that to stop me.
Good point. But also make it walkable. A walkable angle. Do an angle check.
Well, if it's walkable, that's the problem. Yeah.
So this is not walkable, so it doesn't count.
Alright. And this wouldn't be anyway, because you'd stop here if
Yeah.
it was considered a wall.
So check the intersection and check if walkable.
That might work. Well, yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Because if it's walkable, you should be stopping on it.
I was gonna
Anyway.
say, you might not even need to check the intersection. You could just say, are both sides walkable? Then it doesn't count.
No, it doesn't need to be both sides walkable.
Why?
Just the one side that you're at.
True,
But even then, if you-
you may not know what direction it's pointing.
Point is, if you raise it into the sky, and there is no intersection, then it shouldn't be allowed.
If what?
If you raise it into the sky,
Yeah.
just checking if one side is walkable will cause issues. It needs to be connected to your current line ref.
Well, I'd say both sides would have to be walkable in order to admit it.
No,
But
because you can walk to the peak and then stop.
right. Well, that's one side is walkable, so both sides are walkable. Or not walkable. See, if it's not walkable, it doesn't matter. Then we already know it doesn't need it.
Yeah, but one side needs to be checked that intersects with your current floor, and if that is walkable, then ignore it on the row point check.
I think the bigger problem is that it just happens to be an intersection point that you can walk on. So if it's a walkable peak, not just a walkable line on one or two sides, if it's a walkable peak, that's when we want to admit it.
I don't quite think so, because you should be able to walk on up to that peak and then stop,
But
even if the other side is too steep.
if it's a walkable peak, that means both sides are walkable by default. That's what I mean.
I mean, you should be able to walk up one side even if you can't walk on the other side.
Right. Well, I'm saying that the non-walkable side's automatically going to stop it, so we don't have to worry about that. The only time, time that this becomes a bad obstacle is if both sides are walkable.
No, only one.
Why?
like I was saying, you can imagine Collider.
I mean something like this. Oh yeah, I guess this would fuck it up.
Yeah.
Where one side.
You want to be able to. Yeah. You want to have them walk up to the peak and then stop.
Yeah.
But I think that's a very simple fix.
And what would that be?
The intersection plus angle test.
I'm too tired to think about it, to be completely honest. I'm trying to imagine it, and I'm like, nah, I'm just wipe the fuck out. I can't even fucking... Like, I get the basic idea, but I'm trying to figure out, like, is this gonna actually work in all these different scenarios? I have no fucking clue. I really don't. Just fucking kill me, that's it. Set the street. God, it's a joke! Jesus Christ, we're on Twitch, I forget. I can't say that shit. It's a fucking joke. Don't call the Twitch cops.
Address the chat in the meantime or something.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. It got fucking blocked out. Hey, it's Koi! Hey, man.
Oh, right. I see it.
Yeah, I know. Ricky's looking good, right? When did that message come in? Chat window was completely fucking buried. I'm sorry. It was totally buried by everything else. I'm sitting here dying. That's what's going on. But we made Ricky jump and walk up shit, so, you know.
He doesn't jump, man. Come on. He flies.
Yeah, I was gonna say, right now he's flying. Oh.
Check out the link I gave you. Maybe that helps you to code that.
Oh, you know why? You know why the camera's going bonkers? Because I think I clicked on his sprite and not his main object. I think that's why he's going fucking nuts. Ricky. When he was walking, the camera was going crazy. Oh, no, it's still going crazy. Looks like. I don't know what the fuck's wrong.
Oh, well.
It doesn't go crazy with the actual game camera, so I don't really care. Something's screwed up with the... But yeah, there he goes. He's going up and down the slopes. Look at slopes. We never thought we'd get it. Fucking high CPU usage. Thing barking at me.
Hey, since Koi's here.
Yes.
Show him the 100 Rickies.
I'm not... Oh, no. They don't work, though. They just get fucked up.
That's the fun part.
Jesus Christ. Alright. Alright. 100 Rickies. Here we go.
Okay, 10 is enough.
100 goddamn Rickies.
We still haven't gotten it down, though. This is...
I know.
Still bare bones. We're still in chat. There's still a lot of issues to address.
100 Rickies.
And after a while we convert to Smash, right?
You can what?
We can convert the engine to Smash.
Yeah. Super Ricky Brothers. Super Smash Ricky. I don't know. Fuck it.
Once we have moving platforms and everything.
Killed the joke. There we go. You want 100 fucking Rickies? Here we go. You ready for this?
No.
You ready for this?
This is gonna go so bad.
Because I am not. It's probably gonna walk up. It's going better than I thought it would. Sort of. Oh, it's stuck. I'm stuck already. I'm already stuck. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, hold on. I'm already fucking stuck. There we go. Ricky's everywhere. Well, let's redo this. Hold on. Where's the original Ricky? I gotta move him away so he doesn't get stuck. Fuck it. He's going over here. There he is. Ricky. Look at them. They're all stuck on each other. Oh, what the fuck?
Held it away to him.
Holy shit, this looks like Glitchland for real. What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck's going on. What the fuck? Oh, it's stuck. No,
why can't you go through?
Why can't I go through?
Hey, it went through a collider just now, Ricky.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, he's probably...
Oh, you're jumping.
Yeah, he's because he's in jumping. Look, Ricky won't go up through the crack anymore. We fixed that. It's just, you know, 400 Rickies. Yeah, I was gonna say that's what I told Tim too. And on what Tuesday did we work on it? I'm like, look, it's Mario 128, except it's Ricky 128. Yeah, they're all fucking busted. They're just getting. Oh, I'm stuck now. They're getting stuck in each other. All right, hold on. I'll fix that.
Lower the count, man.
No, I just gotta move them. That's the trick here. Gotta move them. There's gonna be 100 fucking Rickies everywhere. But they get stuck if they get land on top of each other. So I just gotta make them like out here.
Well, they can land on each other. They're just gonna jump through each other.
There we go. I got 100 Rickies. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. All the Rickies. Oh god, when they actually land on the ground, they just start really lagging.
How many are there?
How many? There are 64 Rickies. So it's Ricky 64. It's half a Mario 128. It's close enough. Now, arguably, some of them are probably stuck in some loops, so it may not be completely accurate to say that 64 objects is going to lag the shit out of the game, but it's possible.
Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, there we go.
Or it's only because you're viewing
break
them on
it?
camera. Same time.
Did it lock up? Oh no, he's just... Well, there is that too. There's the rendering problem, but I don't think it's just that.
Well, I mean, right now it's fine. The way you were in scene view.
And the FPS is still a little choppy, I can tell. You might not be able to tell over stream, but I can tell it's a little choppy. It's a little fucked up though, because like I said, they're getting stuck in walls and shit, and that produces errors and all that. So, look at there's like 5 of them just stuck in the block. They don't know what to do. That's alright. Oh, they're just stuck in the walls. Hold on, I gotta turn gizmos on. I can't see that. There we go. Ricky's running. Oh god, it's a giant Ricky collective. Oh god, that's what's lagging. That's what's lagging. They're stuck in each other. They're just erroring out constantly. Oh god. Are there any Rickies left outside the void? Oh yeah, no, Rickies are falling. They're like lemons. They're just dying. They're just dying. That's it. There we go. There they go.
Do me a favor, Mark.
Yeah.
Cut the number back down to 2.
Alright.
I want to try something else.
What's wrong with Ricky 128?
Ah, it's fine. But I want to do a different test.
Okay.
Let's run stream.
Okay, we got 2 Rickies.
Okay. Okay, make it third.
You just said 2!
I changed my mind.
You changed your fucking mind after I did them all.
But don't start yet.
Ah, jeez, what?
I want you to change the scale on these Rickies.
Oh.
Make one big one and one super tiny.
Okay, that's actually really fun. Hold on.
Yes.
Mega Ricky. It's Giga
Yeah,
Ricky.
make a super tiny one.
Alright.
Let's see how they hold up.
Giga Ricky and Micro Ricky.
Yeah.
Oh god damn. Alright, fine. Fine. Is this what you want? He's going. They're going. I don't know if you can see Little Ricky. He's getting killed by the
I
compression.
can see him. He's
Oh,
in there
now
somewhere.
we're stuck. Oh, Little Ricky's free. Little Ricky made it. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! It's like Outrun Godzilla. Where's Little Ricky? There's Little Ricky. He's going.
Hey, Larry.
Oh, let me turn that. Oh god! Giga Ricky's here. He found him. There's Little Ricky. Look at him go! Oh, look at him go! Giga Ricky.
Walking on Biggie.
Yeah. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, that was double collider. That's why. That one's glitchy. Biggie, normal, small. You can really see him here.
Two of those often just change the scale on regular Biggie.
Yeah, I was thinking of that too. I'm gonna do Micro Ricky first. He's so small that the little points like overtake his image. Yeah, there he goes.
Whoa, slow him down, man.
Well, it's not that he's fast; it's just he's small. So
He's fast. Sonic, man.
Yeah, he's Sonic. There he is, little Ricky. Boink, 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 boink.
This should work perfectly fine.
Yeah, it probably will because he's not
Unless
big
you
enough
get
to hit
float
any.
for theirs.
I don't see any. I'll clear it so we can see if any get topped up. But yeah, he should work fine.
Zoom the camera in, man.
I can't. I don't think. Well, it'll be pixelated, but that's about as good as I can get. But then I can't see the floor. But he's Micro Ricky, and I'm supposed to see him. He's Micro Ricky. Look at him go!
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Now you can go through the gap, I guess.
Yeah, I was gonna say, the reason why it glitches out here is because he's not supposed to walk up things that are too steep, but he doesn't have any he doesn't have any wall detection in air, so we can jump on shit sometimes and land on it, but he's not really supposed to do that. I was wondering why that's going on. And then our invisible collider. Oh, he can't walk down it because it's too steep, but he could probably fit through it. Yeah, it handles as I expect because, you know, this is supposed to be irrelevant of scale. So he's handling normally, which is really good. Go, Ricky, go.
So now that he's tiny,
Yes.
check the side on the left here, yeah. He does fine, yeah.
Yeah, he's doing good. Yeah, because he's not big enough to hit that intersection going on there. Alright, it's time for Giga Ricky. Fuck this shit, we want Giga Ricky.
Giga Ricky.
I wish I had a soundboard. I'd hit the Mario Brothers, you know, sound effect.
Okay.
He's
slow.
He is, and he's getting caught on shit because he's Giga Ricky. So here's that issue that we saw earlier that we'll have to fix. It's just because he's so big, he'll fucking hit it every time. Alright, that's a legitimate stop here. He should not be able to move into that. He's just stuck right there automatically.
Oh, because he can land on places where he shouldn't be. Wait,
Right.
he should have stopped on the rope point there.
On what point? Well, he's
On
so
the cube.
big, it's because I jumped into it. He's so big.
Well, it's bottom quadrant seem to be catching the point. It's because it's probably because of floor angles. Isn't it?
I don't know what you're describing.
The cube sticking out, you should be able to catch the rope point with his bottom quadrant.
Which cube?
That he's walking on the entire time.
Oh no, because he's walking on it. So it
Oh,
won't-
when he jumped off.
well, there's no detection when he's jumping.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, he's gonna get stuck there. Yeah, if we had jumping detection, he wouldn't even be able to get into half of that shit to begin with. Oh, he's getting stuck on something. What's he getting stuck on? Is he getting stuck? Oh, he's getting stuck on that point. Yes. He's getting really stuck on here. I'm not sure what it is.
There's a rope point instead of him.
Maybe. Again, that's probably just a walking or jumping, not working right thing. Big collider for Big Ricky.
Yeah, we gotta test these later, or done. Because they do show us some edge cases.
That's true. It's working for the most part as intended. Just like when Ricky gets inside of something, we have that issue. Yeah, because I can see the ray shooting. So I'm pretty sure... No, that one shouldn't be affecting him. But maybe the other ones are? I don't know. Fuck it, whatever. We'll fix it eventually.
Yeah. That's good. The small ones worked. It means we have a lot of leniency on skill.
Yeah.
I think all of this with the bigger Ricky is basically if you skilled the rolled just as much, you wouldn't have an issue.
Right. It would just look normal, and we've done that already. We know that works. Scaling the world.
But these kind of small elements could bump up even with the regular one.
Let's try 2x. 2x Ricky. He's a little bit bigger now. Actually, it looks normal size, considering the screen area that it's got to work with. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, no problem, Koi. Thank you for showing up. Yeah, I'm looking forward to them new ideas. Get some story ideas going. Figure out what's going on with the... Look at Ricky's getting stuck here too. Why is he getting stuck here? He can't move left. He can only move right on these ones. Well, now he's just fucked entirely.
Okay, revert to regular version. Shouldn't try.
Yeah, let's try that.
You didn't duplicate the collider or anything?
I don't believe so. No, Polly should be.
What about Polly's?
There's only one Polly. Or one that I named Polly. Huh, it's working okay here.
Something with the size change.
Yeah. It might just be... I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. Like, he stops here, that's normal.
Okay.
No, he got caught again. Yep, now he's caught. For no reason.
Oh.
I don't know. It's possible that maybe the collider omission is getting messed up.
Think it is?
Hey, he's still fucked. I don't know why. Let's see, is he airing now? What's it say? No? There's no errors coming in. It's always something. Let's see.
Always.
Wait, we not using them? No, we're using mic. Oh, okay, here. Corner ray, bottom left wall hit. So it's not omitting the corner here. It's saying this hit something, even though it should be doing that check.
Huh.
Are we still doing the check?
I hope so.
Maybe we didn't because we were fucking around with replacing them.
But it's detecting the same collider, right? That's...
I did not see. I'll try it again, but I did not see the reverse ray. Oh, I do here.
Where's the reverse ray gonna come from? Because he is in the same collider.
It doesn't matter about the same collider. That's what I'm saying. The reverse ray.
You mean from the end point of your current
so
ray?
you see the reverse ray here? The red one.
Huh.
But I don't know, he kind of like stopped.
doing it.
Yeah. I think. I didn't really see it, but it was hard to tell. Oh, was he? Yeah, now he's
Oh,
fucked
break
up.
it again.
Yeah, it's fine. Alright, pause. Yeah, there's no reverse ray. For some reason, it's omitting the reverse ray. I don't see it. Great, add that to the fucking list. Jesus Christ.
Concept works, just something breaks it.
Yeah, really. I'm not sure why. Alright, do corner array, correct.
It seems the bug seems to start happening once you hit the transition point.
No.
Or the end.
I jumped off of it. I had to keep jumping on and off of it. Maybe this? Do we still need this? The turnaround thing. I don't think we need that, do we?
For ceilings, maybe?
Well, ceilings are still broken. Like,
Huh?
we still have an issue with ceilings. Like, we did a kind of sort of fix, but it doesn't work in all cases.
Try to get below this Claire, by the way.
Oh, it currently works, but sometimes it doesn't.
Okay, you can still get out there.
For now, but remember the issue we observed on Tuesday. You can still get stuck in there. I think that was fucking it up because it's not doing it anymore.
Okay.
It makes sense that would happen because it was only happening when he was turning around. I think because that
why
claim. Oh no, it's
That's
now
the-
it's happening again. Hold on. Fuck.
Put the code back.
Yeah. It said it can't get a fourth one. Or hold on, that might have been from their fair. Yeah, it's from their. Yeah, I don't know. It's not showing a reverse ray when it should be. It's not this way
Because
either.
the code that you turned off was setting it to null.
No, it wasn't doing anything like that.
What is the code?
It was the one
Oh,
that,
it's return false.
yeah, it returns false if you're turning around. That prevents it for one frame from, yeah, I guess that prevents it from sticking, was what it was.
Yeah.
Which, yeah, because we got that bottom, or we got that top right ring. Yeah, that's what we need that
Yeah,
for.
okay, that was it.
Yeah, so right now the reverse rays are not firing, and the result it gets back is a corner ray one, which, yeah, I guess it would, but I don't know. Not sure why it decided to do that.
Let's check the conditions for the reverse ray.
Yeah. Alright, so the reverse ray happens when the ray distance is 0, you're not turning around. The floor collider and the thing it hit are the same thing. If the last collider is the floor collider, not allowed to move with distance is 0. Last corner collider is equal to, I wonder if this is what's triggering. Let's put a break. Death. Oh, that turn break. Alright, let me trigger it again. I have a suspicion that that's what this is from. Which, I'll be honest, I can't even remember what the fuck that was supposed to be for. Oh, here we go. What happens when once he hits the wall there, it feels like. Alright. Yep, that's what it is. I had a feeling. This is getting invoked. Last collider. Last corner collider equals floor collider. Then don't move.
How does it even make sense?
It doesn't. does it? It had to be here for a reason. This has been here for like 2 weeks now. So, like, it went there for a
Sometimes
reason.
new systems make something defunct.
Yeah, let's think about this. Alright, let's see. Let's go back to the top. So we didn't touch no wall. It turns to touch. Why is that even there? Is that even referenced here? Oh, it is there. Oh, okay. It returns touch wall. Okay. We shoot the ray. So we want to analyze whether or not we need to check for an exit point. So we check to see if the ray is 0. If it's not 0, then we get the hell out of this check because it doesn't matter. We have to, in order for the conditions to be right, we have to impact the ground. And then we need to check if we need to go out. So let's draw this here while we're doing it. Come on, Paint Shop Pro. Get the lead out of the ass. We gotta go. Alright. So if you... Yeah, if you're in the... Like you're walking along the floor and you hit your center point, forget the awful drawing. Your bottom right or bottom left, whatever, ray is gonna fire out, and like if it doesn't hit anything, or if it's already inside the floor, you don't want it to hit anything because, you know, that would be stupid. However, you would just hit it immediately too. If you're going to bump into this thing here, you want to check like this, right? And you do want to hit this. Problem is, you started inside the floor, so the solution here, I'm going to choose different colors. Say, okay, we're going to walk this far, and our array needs to detect this wall. But we started in here, and if we start inside of floor, we need to omit everything, except if we leave the floor. So the way to check if we left the floor is to shoot a ray from point that we're at, or we will end up at, and shoot it backwards to here. And if we happen to collide with the outside of the floor that we were in, that means that we left the floor. So we know that anything of a distance here or greater is a valid collision, and anything prior to that is not. But for whatever reason, this thing's deciding not to do that. It's
But you put in... But I've always said the lost corner collider equals the floor collider. But there's no distance check in here.
A distance check is here. But the reverse ray never fires because this does a return here, and the reverse ray doesn't fire till down here, so it skips that entirely. But why is this here? If last corner collider equals the floor collider, says you're not allowed to move.
I think you're trying to put the wall stop system in this line instead of letting it handle itself naturally.
Maybe. Oh, let's get rid of it. Stop. There has to be a reason it was there. But it's possible
Well,
that
it sounds
was...
like it stops you on that wall, as you described here.
Yeah,
We
that's
don't need it
exactly
anymore.
what it
It
does.
detects the wall as a wall already.
That, like, literally is exactly what it's doing, but I don't know why it's doing that. Well, let's see if anything broke, I guess.
Try replicate the example that you drew.
Oh, that? Actually,
We have that here.
yeah, I do have that here somewhere. It's here. Sort of. Well, no, that one's not quite it. It's close, but I don't think it's...
Yes.
I think it's
In
not...
this case, the rope point is catching first.
Yeah, I don't think it's far, or it's not close enough to be doing that. Let's see. I thought I made a spot for this. I may have changed it. Looks like it. So, alright, let's manufacture a thing here. We could probably get it. Right
It's gonna be a
here.
little tricky to do this without the spike protrusion catching it.
All you gotta do is you gotta make sure that it's tilted away, and then
Yeah.
go like this, and that should allow it to occur. I just gotta make sure that's like really close. Oh, yeah, it's gonna have to be like down here. Yeah, see, that's what happened. It caught it here.
So he stopped.
Yeah, let me. Yeah, he stopped.
Then it works without the line.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe. Here. Yeah, it looks like he's stopping alright. So I'm not sure what the fuck that line was about, but it was causing trouble.
I think it was your stopping code before you had the wall system in place.
It could be.
So that's what we did later, if you remember that.
I don't.
We did the wall stuff pretty recently, like this week, last week.
It's here. This apparently is what it was for. That's what it was for. He should be doing that.
Zoom in it. Alright, that you. So you can't approach it. No, your left corner should have caught that.
Oh, it only does for one frame. Oh, and that's what it is, because that's what the 0 result is. That's exactly why it's here. If it's we got a 0 result on the distance, we don't want to move. We want to keep it at 0. If the last corner collider and forward collider are the same. The problem is that it fucks up when he turns around, or something's not clearing right. Well, we did stop them from clearing things, potentially, so, that's not what it says. Let's take a look at the implementation. Yeah, they used to have clear flags, clear events on them. So if it wasn't walking left or right, it would clear the collider. And that's probably why it's not working. But I don't know if that's really good now. I'm not sure if that's gonna break shit. I don't know, fuck it. This is because this is what we ended up doing before. That's the only thing that really changed in this part of the system. In relativity to what we were just looking at. I don't know, maybe that'll fix it. Get over there and fuck things up. Okay, so he doesn't walk on the floor. That's good. Yeah, I have a feeling that it's because we stopped clearing those last colliders. So it's working fine now. Yeah, I think so. We weren't clearing those colliders out when we were supposed to, so it kept fucking it up.
Is this fine now?
Yep, it's all good.
Save and ship it.
Yeah, save it and ship it. That's good. That's good enough, right? Look, this is good enough for Steam Greenlight. It's good enough for us. This is a game. Don't you tell me this ain't a game. You jump around. You even get a wall phase mechanic. Yeah, it's a mechanic. Fuck you. There you go. Oh, look, it's a stuck mechanic. There you go. Game over. You got stuck. Start over. Come on, I can get out! I can get out! Come on! Fucker. There you go. Upload it. It's fine.
I sent you a link with code examples on how to line intersect test.
Oh boy. Yeah, there's math for that shit. That's a lot of code.
That's what I thought. There's a light version at the bottom though.
That's a lot of code. Here, I'll break it over on stream. That's a lot of fucking code. It really is.
That's what I thought.
I don't know if it's all necessary because it's like in a component script, but Jesus Christ. Like they got line renderers and stuff too, but still. Jeez. Okay, is intersecting. Here's the core of it. That's still a lot. Does it actually give you an intersection point though? It just is intersecting. I guess. I don't know. It's a lot of shit.
Yeah. Awfully complicated, isn't it?
As is all good math, I suppose.
I think you want to use light version 1 and the one with mount epsilon.
Use what?
Light version 1 and the second picture there.
Light version 1?
Scroll down.
There's more shit down here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then a second version of this version 1.
Floating point position. You should solve that. A common way is to add a small epsilon so it will never compare with, for example, exactly 0. That's not an epsilon. That's way too big, but knowing Unity, it's probably where things start to degrade anyway.
Well, yeah, that's basically the small version.
Hmm. Huh.
That first version there might look more simple for you.
Yeah, what is this? Actually, third way to figure out the line 6, blah 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 blah. But it doesn't matter. Wait. The problem with this way is that you can't find the point of intersection, but that doesn't matter. You don't need to. Oh, didn't look like the other ones were giving it to us either. Just is intersecting. I don't see them giving us a point.
Oh, we don't need a point. We just need to know if they're intersecting.
Right. Well, this doesn't either.
We don't care.
He's saying use this version if you don't care about getting the point, but the other two didn't give you a point either. Well, this is it. It doesn't say it's the point. Yeah, what a bunch of bullshit.
The denominator. And there are ways.
Yeah, either way.
And you mentioned the speed of these calculations.
Yeah, that's the other thing. I'm looking at him like, yep. Are there any fucking square roots in there? That'll murder a CPU in no time. Let's see.
Are there?
I don't know, that's what I'm asking.
I see.
This one doesn't seem to. I don't see any in this version. Yeah, avoid square roots if at all possible.
I mean, in terms of code, the last version there looks the simplest to do for you.
It does. I'm not sure why there's all this complicated shit here. I don't know why he's got like 5 versions. Just give like 1 or 2. You want a point? Take this one. You don't want a point? Take this one. And you're done.
Yeah. Oh, use the last version then.
Yeah, instead of like this giant fucking thing. I don't even know what this is for. Yeah, whatever. It don't matter. Yeah, alright, we'll keep that on hand. Let's
that will allow us to solve the issue.
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, well.
Let me do the what do I say? Let me do the other one first. That one's really easy.
Yeah, sure.
So let's see. Scroll down. Here's where we're gonna fire shit. So if let me take hits on our collider. We gotta do one up here. Okay, so if well, we gotta check distance too. So if the distance is equal to 0 and the collider is equal to fuck, we don't even know. Something. If we hit some, okay, if we're gonna have to put the layer mask in here to really tell what's going on. But what we'll do here is, if the ray distance is 0 and it's not colliding with us, means it's gonna collide with something else, then it's invalid. So we break. We're not gonna do anything. Because we hit solid object. It was not the player. Stop. Yeah, and that's it. And then we go on to the next ray after that. So we'll completely omit that. Theoretically should work. Okay, so nope, it didn't work.
What's the other example?
He's getting super.
Hey, you walked over it for a second there.
This guy jumped.
Oh.
Yeah, he did walk over this one, but he gets stuck again. I don't know why.
Because the other rope point is shooting him now. Once he makes the new line ref, the other point, the other collider, is inside of him, and it's mucking things up.
Maybe.
Because we didn't do the other exception yet, right?
Oh, this one you're saying is inside of him.
Yeah.
Gotcha. But he is able to. Well, he's.
So we need to do both systems at once.
Yeah. You might be right. Yeah. So here he's going through it because the new code works until he gets here, and then you're right. This one fucking touches him and he's dead. And if he goes this way, then he gets caught on the back end. Which he should be.
I sent you an alternative calculation for the intersection. It's simpler.
So what's your full idea in plain English?
We calculate if two line refs intersect. And then if they intersect, check if those are a walkable angle. If both are walkable angles. So we see that roll point.
Oh, this is gonna murder. This is gonna murder our efficiency. But all right, we have to literally calculate line rest for every point.
Well, just calculate from that warp point that actually hit us. The winner. The winning roll points. Calculate a line ref higher and a line ref lower.
Alright, let me see what data we're actually storing, and then I have to store some other stuff here.
We don't need to do it for every point that the service cost sees.
I see what you're saying. Let's see, spike point ID. Alright, we need more data. It's not gonna be enough. Right? What is spike point ID? What gets filled in there?
But if we do it this way, it will serve as similar to the future walking system, basically.
Potentially. Let's see. Well, that's debug shit. We're not looking for that. Hold on. We're looking at this. Yeah, point Point index collider and point. Let's see. How does that get filled in? Maybe we already have the data. Where's point ID? Oh, okay. Alright, that's fine. Okay. It's gonna be a little extra work, but should be doable.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. When we make a hit, right? When we pick a winner, you're saying?
Yeah. Basically, off the winner that's been chosen.
Can we really do that though? What if we decide not to go with that one, but there was another applicable one that would have won if that one didn't win? So we gotta do it on every single one.
Thinking. Well, whatever.
I mean, if they hit. Like, if they don't hit, they don't hit. But if they at least hit, and they are the current newest, we have to do this check on them to see if they're really winners.
I mean, once it's been chosen as the winner, then can there be a situation in which the second one
Or the third or the
will
fourth
need
or
to
whatever.
be the winner because we've chosen to ignore it first?
Or you'd have to validate each and every one of them anyway, so you might as well do the check on every time that you pick a winner.
I'd say validate them backwards. Once we have a winner, we determined.
And you'll have to store an array of winners then. You basically have to take every single result and just form a list out of it, essentially. And then you
Just do the last one first and see if there's any issue with that.
I'm just gonna put it in the code that calls it as it goes through to find the minimum, that if it finds the minimum and that test fails, it'll only do the test if it thinks it's a minimum, so a potential winner. If the test fails,
Yeah.
it'll just not do it.
Yeah.
Right. So, alright, we
I
gotta.
mean, there's probably not gonna be that many guys points that will potentially hit you unless you're moving really fast.
Right. But, it is a possibility.
But you're right that if you are moving fast enough where you could have, where there's multiple candidates,
Yeah.
so all those candidates need to be checked.
Right.
Because once one of those is ignored, then the next one needs to be checked anyway. Although the likelihood of both of them being on the same line ref is pretty crazy.
Where the fuck is... Where is this? Here. Just like this. So, we need to take the index. So that's its point index within its own collider. And then, since we don't have access to it anymore, we're going to have to recreate the point data. So that's vector 2. Yeah. Vector 2 world points. I guess. We need to check world points. Or do we? Fuck. How do we... God damn it. How are we going to translate this into an actual collider? Or into an actual line ref?
Just check the index one higher, one lower, and then make the line ref.
So that's what we have to do, yeah. But we have to get the world points to get that.
Yeah, that's one index point lower.
Alright, hold on. Okay. I'm too tired for this math. This fucking bullshit. I understand. I'm basically working 3 jobs now. It's awful.
3?
Yes.
Alright. Yeah.
Where's geometry? Unity. Unity.geometry. still can't afford a cup of coffee. Fucking kill me. Get points. Get points.
You can't earn money when you're dead, Mark.
No, I can't. But at least the need for money will be gone, and then I'll be all set.
You're not famous enough for that.
I'm not famous enough for that. Ain't that the fucking truth? That's fine. I was gonna make a joke, but you know, we're on Twitch. That's probably not a good idea. All right, what the fuck does this want now? Should be able to just send it a collider, right? Why is it pissed off?
You should have gone on the music, Mark.
Oh, it's music, alright. Should have gone into music. Why?
Oh, you can make money after you're dead.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, my fucking family or record label will, not me. Fuck that. Alright. So, int left index is gonna equal. Yeah, it's gonna equal this minus 1, but we have to modulate by 4. Because there's 4 points.
4?
Yeah, 4 points. Oh, well, we don't know that. You're right. You're right. You have to modulate by this by length. Dot length. You're right. We don't know that. I don't know that. You don't know that.
You're just assuming cubes. Come on,
Yeah,
man.
I know. That's why I say I'm tired. Fuck! Alright.
Well, that's why I'm here.
Fair enough. So... get line... Let's get surface line. What does it need? A raycast hit. That's it? Oh god, that's all. That's, oh boy. That ain't good. What does it actually need? Alright, let's refactor
Rename it to get surface line from raycast hits. And redo it.
Oh no, you just make a second version of it, it's fine. So what I need to do is kill that, and then we'll refactor it. So we'll basically kill the thing that it needed and take a look at exactly what it needed. So it needs a collider to get the points. So collider 2D.
The difference is that we are already establishing one of the 2 points.
We need a raycast hit point. Fuck. Impact location. Why does that matter? Where do we need? Oh god, we need that everywhere. Jesus Christ. Well, we don't have that. Could we just say it impacted at the end?
Doesn't seem relevant here.
What's that?
Just give it the impact point for.
There is no impact point.
Yeah. Just give it the actual warp point and impact point.
But the impact point was on the player, not on the collider. We're looking
saying,
in reverse here.
Replace that variable with the warp point itself.
That's what I was saying. If we just give it like the end of the line, will it be happy with that? I don't know.
Will be true.
I don't know. Let me get rid of these ones first. These ones are easy. And then we'll see if that's the only thing left is the impact point. Oh, but it just checks if you're on the thing or not. Let's see.
Do we need it?
Tick bounds if you're outside.
Because we don't really care if we're on it. We're not on it per se.
Yeah, that's the thing. We're checking to see if we're actually on it or not. Yeah, so if we just give it the what's this? Impact location. Oh, local impact location. Okay. If we just give it the point that's on the end of the line, it should be happy.
Just quickly read.
Well, no, and actually it won't be. Yeah, it's because I didn't put the point in there. It won't be happy. Like, hold on, we might be able to fudge this.
I mean, theoretically, you can actually do a raycast at the rope point. And
Well,
find the rope point. So.
you don't need to use a raycast. But here's
Well,
the
I'm
thing:
saying,
if you give it the center point, it's gonna be a fucking coin toss whether you're gonna get the left or the right side of it, because it's only gonna give you one floor ref or line ref here.
I don't think we need to be checking if we're on it or not. So simplify this to what we need.
Well, here, this 4-point result or whatever. We don't need to do most of this, I think. We just, yeah, here, 4 line reference. If we found a line, we got the collider, point A, point B, line point A, line point B. Hey, Skidleto? Skidleto?
Skiddle-doo. Skiddle-doo.
Skiddle-doo. Oh yeah, I guess it would be Skiddle-doo. Well, thank you for the follow. We don't need any of that. We just need this.
Yeah.
I found the core of what we need here. So I'm just gonna say
Undo everything.
Yeah, you know it. Yeah. So if we already know the points that we want, we can just plug them in here, I think. So, new line ref or test line ref or whatever. So the collider, we got that. That's this. Point ID A. We've got left index. And, or we'll say center. Center point index. And then I got chat minimized again. People are probably yelling at me. Oh, there he is. Thumbs up. Hey. What's that?
What is center point index?
Oh, that's the point that we decided was a winner.
Oh.
Yeah, so that would be this one here. Let's say that Ricky's over here, so he's bumped into it. So we took the left one currently, and we're gonna say
a bad name.
What's that?
Seems like an odd name.
Fine.
Why not spot point index?
Well, because it's the reason I chose that is because it's the center between the left and the right ones that we're gonna do. So this is the right one.
How we,
it's the center.
It's usually not what we refer to as center points.
Yeah, but we're talking about not talking about Ricky, so it's just it's a different it's a different context. It's the center, it's the middle, whatever, it doesn't matter.
Middle.
You rename it middle when I'm done then. Alright, so we're gonna do point A. It's gonna be center point index. And then world points will be left point index. And that should create our line ref. So this is left line ref.
Oh, that you can rename.
Yes. Only the important things.
Oh. Avoiding confusion with Twitter is important.
I'm not confused by it.
You will be.
Probably. Alright, so we got the left and the right.
Because you'll be going over this later and thinking, why is this part Ricky's code?
Okay, so you want to know if they're walkable, right? And we only test if they're walkable? How's that work? How's the walkable aspect come into play?
The angle? Is floor?
Well, you said that whether or not it's a walkable angle makes a difference, right?
Yeah, so first things first, check its floor or wall.
Okay.
Because then we can eliminate one of these two already, or both.
Left line type, so get surface height. Don't like it. Why don't I like it? Thought it wanted to like. Oh, stop. Thank you. Why doesn't it like it? Why doesn't anybody like me?
If you do this, you can basically eliminate half the problem.
Yeah, so we test if it's a wall or a floor or whatever.
And then if it's indeed a floor, then check intersections.
Okay. Glad you know what you're doing, 'cause I'm fucked up right now.
That's fine. Here.
Oh, I guess we gotta do them both anyway. So this is right. Tight. Okay, so then test for the intersection. Boy, okay. And now we've got our code that you copied for us. So let's how generic is
See what we
this?
can do with it.
Let's look at this first before we do anything. Yeah, we are C#.
Oh. That progress notepad?
Yeah. Okay, vector 2. Oh, this is very Unity-like. Okay. Line point 1. Oh, okay. So we only need 4 points. Line 1.1 and 2. Line 2.2. Okay, that's generic enough. I'm gonna put it in the WYSUTILs then. Yeah. Geometry 2D. Oh, this is only 2D version, isn't it? Okay. I didn't really look at it, to be honest, to see if it was a vector 2 or not. Okay.
Roll. Well, do vectors.
Public static. Line point 1, line point 2. Good enough. Yeah, alright. Whatever. I guess it looks alright.
Looks like you can use it out of the box.
Kinda. I mean, there's no floating point error compensation like the other one, but... What did he say about that? Epsilon. Where does he put that fucker? What was it here? I don't know, it's the same thing. Kinda looks similar though. Yeah, it does. Whatever. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Okay. Test the intersection. So we want to test against current 4 line ref dot index A. Current 4 line ref dot index B. And then left line ref dot index. Oh, not index. Jesus Christ. It's gonna be world. That's why we have the points. World point A. World point B. Why doesn't it? Oh, right. Tilsot Unity Geometry 2D dots. Capitalize would be great. There we are. Okay, so then we say you ain't the winner. So let's put a blue up here. You ain't the winner. You ain't the winner, boy.
That's why.
You ain't the winner, boy. Don't matter what it's named as long as it works. So if they do intersect, then we want to say no, don't do it. And if you ain't the winner, you ain't the winner, boy.
But you can put it below the right lifetime instead of settings.
Oh no, I'm just omitting the need for the second check. If we already determined it's not a winner, then we don't need to do the other one.
Oh.
And this one will be the right line ref. So that way it doesn't have to do it twice. And if you ain't the winner, boy.
Don't you have to reverse it?
No. Right? You're not the winner. True.
Yeah.
I know it's worded a little weird, but you ain't the winner.
But that means that says if the intersection is true, then you ain't the winner. But then you skip the next code block.
Right, you don't want
you reversed.
You don't want to do this. So why I said continue. You don't want to do this. This actually cements you as the winner. Winner. This cements you as the winner. So you can't.
No, I'm not concerned about that.
Not you ain't the winner, boy.
How you're checking the right line.
Well, if the left line you determine has met the condition for it being not good, if it intersects, then that's our bounce condition, right? Or is there more to it?
You wrote here, if intersecting is true.
Yeah.
And then you wrote.
Then you ain't the winner.
Yeah, if intersecting is true, then, you know, we already know that this is the correct line ref. But you can only access the next code block if the previous guy won. It is the winner.
No,
that's
I'm saying
this time it's reversed.
No, it starts off false. So we say you're not the winner. You are the winner because it's false.
Yeah, but
then when you get here,
left and right, as long as it says false.
If the left, well, only one of these needs to be true, right? Not both, just one.
Yeah, but then that's reversed right now.
No, it's not. If it goes through here and it determines that you're not the winner, then we tag that, and so if you're already not the winner, you don't need to check the right side because you're already not the winner. So just skip on down to you ain't the winner and get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, but it reaches the if statement once it says true, not once it's false. Something doesn't add up, Mark. Look very closely. Rename that thing, because it's getting confusing.
Fine.
Is intersecting.
Don't win, I guess. No, or
it's intersecting, no negative.
You win! You win! False! You are not the winner! How's that go from Charlie in the Chocolate Factory? You don't win! Something else? I don't know. He's like, good day! Good day, sir! I said good day! Alright, so you win true. If you intersected with the left line, you don't win. Or, if you're still a winner...
Now it works. Now it works, because you...
It still would have won. Or still would have worked.
No, because now that if statement is reversed.
Oh, so you're saying the only thing I had to change down here was this?
It's the right line type. That's no, that was correct.
Whatever. Alright. Works and works. Now that we have
because your right line type check was never going to be reached before. Now you can reach it.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Maybe. Alright, whatever.
You fix it now.
Yeah, it's good. You just don't like my creative names.
It's just don't doing a double negative.
Shut up! You can't handle the double negatives. So what are you programming for? I know it's the worst practice ever. All right, so yeah, you don't win, and if you're still a winner, check if you don't win, and if you didn't, or if you win, this has to be reversed now too. If you win, then go ahead and claim your prize and move on. This better work. Your ass is on the line.
Why you have two you win if statements in a row?
Because you have to check again. This could have modified it. So then you have to check this as the final result.
That's funny.
So this one's you win false. But if this is false, you don't want to do this because it doesn't matter. It's useless time. So you omit it if you only go here if you win, and then you only actually get to the finish line if you win, so to speak. Alright, let's go. Nope.
Some marches.
It just fucking locks them. Good job, Tim. It doesn't even work one way.
You messed up.
Yeah, I messed up. What'd I mess up? Tell me.
I don't know. Check the code. How do we know the line wraps are correct?
Well,
How do we know the intersections are correct?
is there collider? Point A, point B. Point A, point B.
Time to debug them.
Collider. And we know the line wraps are fine. Collider. Index A. Index B. I mean, we may or may. Oh, hold on. This is also wrong. This has to be plus. There you go. That's your fucking answer. Everybody hates this stream. Nah, it's still broke. Oh, well, it kind of worked on the right side. Maybe. Or is that just the other part of the code working?
Oh, previously it could never get past there. But now his... Huh, you went for it over it.
He did, but he did get stuck that one time, I think. Yeah, maybe not. Oh, it's working now. Maybe your thing only works in one direction?
No, she coded it right. Not if you coded it right.
Not if I could. That's it. Put all the blame on poor old Mark. Gonna have a goddamn heart attack. We're gonna beat him down in his last moments. That's fine. Alright, so one of these may not be correct then, or... Wait, hold on. We getting any errors? Let's check that first.
If one side is working, we can make both sides work.
Theoretically, yeah. Nope, no errors. So if the line refs are actually getting created and there was a problem with them, they would spit an error. So we know that they're okay. We have debug for this, right? Yeah, let's start feeding in some debug shit and seeing what the results are. So we want.
I would like to see the actual line wrap section.
Right, and that's what I'm doing here. So for line reference, gotta make that something else. Surface line reference. There we go. Winner left ref. Surface ref. And winner right surface ref. Then what else do we test? Bool, public. Bool, you win.
Well, it's not a winner, it's a loser.
Well, we don't know that. We want to see all the data. What's the other thing? Oh, the intersection. Bool, left intersects. False.
Sect.
No, if the left intersects or the right intersects. Do you intersect? Yes, I intersect. So he intersects. I don't know. English is stupid. Sometimes. Alright, it's up here. Keep it a little organized. I was actually just thinking too that you don't even need to take the right ref. You don't even need to create the right ref or any of this shit unless you didn't win.
So you want to move it in the if statement.
Yeah. So here's the left test and the right test. I mean, you can do indexes, that's fine. Whatever. But then you got that one. Yeah.
And maybe rename the Boolean to still one.
Still the winner. There you go. Still the winner. There, I got my name in there. And you're not doing nothing about that one.
Winner.
Winner. So we want...
Mark the winner?
Yeah, Marc the winner. I like that. And some people just corrupted the Marc the Wizard. That's slang for P.
What?
Wizard.
Wiz.
Yeah, but you could say Marc the Wizard. If I said Marc the winner, people just go, yeah, you're just Marc the Wizard. And wizard is like a person who's P. Just shut up, this is America, Tim. Get used to it. We got the Walmart. We got
I am not sure you
Pepsi.
can from the Wiz on screen on stream.
Yeah. Good thing there's no fucking webcam. I'll show you a wizard. Alright, we need...
But that's what a wizard is. Okay.
Yeah. We need...
Mark the wiener.
Yeah, that's a bad one too. This is one of them, but we're not there yet. We need... Are we taking... We need the line ref, right? Yeah.
At least you got a wealthy.
Yeah, ain't that the point? Yeah, sorry, tired.
Come back in 10 years to find out what it means.
Ain't that the point? What the fuck am I talking about? Alright.
Maybe someday you'll find out what the wealthy actually is.
Probably sooner than later. I haven't heard details, but I heard shit's going down in the manga right now.
Details.
Yeah, the details. Alright, what else do we want from this? Whether or not it intersects one, that we win. Okay. So... Here is... You win. Still the winner. Okay. And the intersection we
No,
want.
check chat, dude.
Oh, fuck. I minimized it again because I'm bouncing things around. Why? What's chat say? Bombs are dropping. Hey, worker Will Senior. Workay Will Senior. Well, hello, whoever you are. I'm sure I butchered the shit out of that. Jesus Christ.
Hello.
Yeah, you talk to him, Tim. Apparently, I can't talk.
I don't know how to pronounce his letter.
Fair enough. I really don't want to make another fucking pool for this, but I have to. And because I gotta store it in that debug. So, right intersects. Be right intersection. And we'll do the same. Okay. This should give us a little more info on what's going on. Hopefully. Alright, so it's walking to the left that's giving us shit, right? Let's see what we got. Get anything?
You want to actually make those line routes visible?
They should be.
Turn them into red lines.
Oh, you mean like that? Maybe. How come they're not here? What the fuck happened? Even for check. For no. I thought this shit was right here.
Or blue lines, maybe.
Hold on, what the fuck is that one? Spike ray results. Should be a list of them. Microstep debug kit. Shit, they're serializable, right? Yeah. Why are there not two here? Hold on. Spike race to check. We need to find the one that says spike race to check. This should be this. Yeah, spike race to check. Oh, here we are. Here. Alright, this is the things we think hit. You win is this one. So the line ref was on solid 2, and I lost the fucking thing here. Okay, it was definitely this one. Point index 3 and 2. I'm not really sure which ones those are. You win. Left intersect. So neither left or right intersected. It thought. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to draw the line refs here because that ain't right. Microstep debug list. We do draw the spike rays, but we also want to draw. Oh, could do more than that. Hey, Gizmos to draw. Fuck, what do we want to draw? You want to draw the line refs, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is...
That's the idea.
Yeah, I don't know if we have an actual thing for this or not. Current line of rider. Okay, that's what we don't need to go. Let's put a private void, draw, gizmo, line ref. Let's do this way. Surface line ref. I don't like it. Oh, line reference. Okay. Line ref. Okay. If you didn't give it one, then it's not gonna do shit. But if you do give it one, local points. Oh, this is drawing local space. Oh, I don't want that. Draw ground line here. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, this will be just. And then we can just put this here. Hooray! Alright. Still got it. What's left?
I'm expecting the line to be drawn somewhere into space.
Yeah, probably. I would not be fucking surprised. Right. So only one is probably going to be drawing because only one was intersecting, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. No, it's got the right one. It just doesn't think it's intersecting. Let's see. Stop here for a second. See what it says.
It's right on the right.
Yeah, hold on. Let's close a few of these. That. What's this one with hit? What is that? Oh, that's ones that actually hit. It doesn't think that it intersects. I don't know how, but it doesn't think it intersects, even though it obviously does right here at this point. So, fuck if I know.
Try the right side.
Yeah, I was gonna say out of curiosity, let's see how it looks over here. It only checks the right side? That's weird. Hold on, Mike. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Let's go back to where this gets set. That's right, that's right. Oh no, that's oops. It'd be nice if we had the correct data here. Jesus Christ. And it still don't work. I didn't think it was gonna work, but at least we can see what the hell is actually going on now.
Hit both. Makes sense.
It did take both line riffs. It did
Makes sense because it didn't consider it an actual walkable angle, then
This is walkable.
I mean, I didn't consider it. If it didn't consider those intersections, then the other one would have never reached.
I think it's walkable. Should be walkable.
Yeah, it's walkable. I was saying if it didn't consider, if it didn't fail both times,
Yeah.
you might only see once.
We do see both line riffs, and they do converge at this point, so that math at least is correct.
Yeah. Nice. Check the right side.
This is the right stuff here.
I mean the right version of this.
Oh, you mean on the other side? Yeah, just see what it shows. Oh, just let us go. Hold on. As it should. Let me step up to it. Yeah, it only checks the left side. No, it gets the right side too, apparently. But I guess
Because in the code it checks left first, then right, isn't it? Yes?
Yes, it does.
Yeah, so in this case...
Right, it had to check both sides to clear, so that makes sense. Wait, what the fuck is the...
Well, left cleared. You're probably right and left are reversed when we think of it here.
Maybe. That's true. It's a little ambiguous. Because it means left and right indexes, not necessarily anything else. I don't see anything that's actually showing it having intersected, though, which is odd. Oh, there's 2 microsteps, though. Hold on. There's 2 microsteps. I forgot. It right intersected, so it's thinking this is the right side, which is fine. It's right in the local space.
Yeah, so check the other sides first, then this one, so this one will show up.
Yeah.
And the other side
Left
will
side
show up
doesn't
because
intersect with the
nothing
right
one.
Yeah.
So right intersects, just triggers.
Right.
So that code is correct.
That's this one. Yeah. So either
What's wrong
something,
with the left?
yeah, something's wrong on the left or something. So let's just trace through it. Let's see what we get here. It's not too bad. left intersection, faster line segment. Do lines intersect. I'm gonna call it proper capitalization. Two lines intersect. World A, World B. Oh, maybe that.
And did that automatically change bush details?
Does it what?
Did it automatically change the name within inside of bush details?
Yes. Yeah, it would.
Huh. Neat.
Yeah, Visual Studio got really massively upgraded in recent years. Like, you can do a lot of shit now. So let's... Do we set it to right collider? Oh, wait, no, we don't do that. Yeah, so let's look at line ref. Well, the line ref's right. It has to be, because we drew it. And they're right.
Well, we have a failing state on the left line check, not the right line, basically.
Yeah, so let's see. Two lines intersect. Current floor line ref A and B.
What if we
Left line ref A and B.
What if we flipped the cube collider? So different indexes are there.
I don't know. I guess we'll try that next. And then if left intersection still the winner is false. And then we plug the... Oh. That's not right. Alright, we had bad data. Okay.
Again.
Let's check it again then. This is all my fault, I know. Alright, let's see.
I didn't say anything.
I did. Alright, only one micro step. Here's the winner. It didn't think that either of them intersected.
Yeah.
See, now that's the weird part, though.
The readout is consistent with what we see.
Wait, it is? But this doesn't. One of these intersects.
Oh yeah, I mean, what I'm saying, the fact that he stops there because it's a winner makes sense.
Actually, he shouldn't stop there. Look, he's gone past it already. He's actually farther than the point. Maybe that's not why he's getting stuck. Yeah, look closely. Here's the point. He's gonna go past that. See this green line?
Oh, hold on. Yeah, I know. No,
Is this
work?
Is this corner thing hitting this then? I'm saying, hey, you can't go any farther because I ran into something. And he's yeah, because he's standing on here. I don't know why it doesn't do it the other way.
But there's another problem we need to consider.
Yes.
Same collider.
What about it?
Or not? Oh wait, if it's same collider, then the roll point system ignores the red, right?
Right.
So I think, yeah, that corner might be the issue. What? But is it on the right side?
Apparently, it doesn't happen on the right side for some reason.
So Mark, do me a favor.
Sure.
Extend that collider. The one you're standing on. Just make it very big so that it extends further.
I don't know why this one doesn't work. Is it perhaps not close enough to cause an issue?
It's the orientation.
Might be, because this one was more like this. The other side. Yeah, and this causes the problem. So he's getting caught. He's getting like caught here.
Yeah. So what I'm saying, make that surface collider we're standing on, make it bigger, so it goes beyond the spike.
Which one? This one? This angled one?
The middle one, the straight one.
You want it bigger? In what way?
Both sides, make it wider. Wider.
Okay, I'm going. Shit.
So we don't have to deal with that corner.
Gotcha. Oh, you just want to test this.
Yeah.
Seems to work. What's
So,
let me bump it up so that it's definitely gonna hit that point. But I think you're right. I think it will. Yeah, and he does his little hop. Yeah, it would normally have hit there. So yeah, I think you're right. I think you did fix that.
yeah.
And we'll check the other one, but
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that it's gonna work. Yeah,
Now check other spike collisions like that though.
sure.
You can see the color switch for a second.
Yeah. I like that how it lights up here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like everything still works.
Plus the extra debugs, cool.
Uh
Hey, I didn't see it activated on the left one.
oh. We got a problem.
That is.
Yeah, over here. He's kind of just he's going inside.
Yeah. I know why, but
Because it's intersecting.
because it's an allowable angle. It's a walkable angle.
Right from the ceiling.
So we need to make a floor ceiling distinction here. It only cares about floors.
Huh. It does say it's a 4 though.
Yeah, but both of those angles are a floor, it's just that it's upside down.
Mm-mm. They're distinct. I'd have different distinct ones. Is surface angle 4 and is surface angle ceiling are 2 different ones.
What are the checks for that?
Yeah. So it should be giving you ceiling if one is a ceiling.
What is the angle for that though?
Max walkable angle. Oh, plus 180.
And ceiling?
That's ceiling, yeah. And then the 4 one doesn't have that one. But it's accurate. We've used these before. They're littered all throughout the system. If they weren't accurate, none of this shit would have worked to begin with.
So? Why is it seeing that as a floor?
Yeah, that's a good point. Assuming that it is. Let me put those in the debug.
Only that one.
I'll put those in the debug.
On one side lighting up.
Public winner left type. Surface type.
So it's funny how these kind of things expose other issues.
Yeah.
And it's the right one?
I'm gonna add a none here so that we know it's an error result if nothing comes through. And right. Capitalize L on left. Winner right. Oh, There we go. Okay. We should be able to see them now. Whatever. Alright. The survey says. Then I got one microstep. Where's our WinRAR? Is that our WinRAR? Who's the winner? Left intersects. So it canceled it because left is apparently a 4. For some reason. Considers this to be a 4.
It's messed up.
Yeah, that is weird.
Whatever you do, print the angle out.
Oh, we should have it right here. -7.
Okay, jump onto the floor above it. Check what angle is that.
Oh yeah, it should be like 7 or something. It was reversed. 7. 4 angles, -7. Absolute 4 angles, 7. So this is -7, but the other one's also -7? Oh.
Is there a relative check or?
This one...
I think what might be going on, Mark, is that you're calculating that line reversed.
Maybe.
Angles.
Maybe.
Instead of A to B, you compare B to A or vice versa. And that's causing the angle to invert.
That's possible. That's possible. So let's see. You might be right. The left index is a smaller one, so that should be the one on the left. And to take a look here, the right one is probably correct, because it's actually the reverse, like you said. I think you might be right. Alright, make sure this shit still works. There.
A little jitter in there.
He's not getting as stuck, but he's still stuck.
He stopped on there now.
Not reliably though. Sometimes he does, but see, he's inside still.
What's the angle reader now?
Oh, yeah.
Because notice how both sides are lining up.
Uh-oh, we're out of time. Hey, let's check this quick. Get the fuck out of here. I'll have to sleep. Oh god, yeah, it's almost 10. I'm gonna die. Said you win. It says it's a ceiling now, so you're right. That was the problem. So if it's a wall or a ceiling, right? No, we were saying if it's a 4. Only if it's a 4 to check intersect. It did let it win though, so I don't know why it even let it get past this point. They're not all active.
Well, unless the other side's miscalculated, or it's just a wall. Yeah.
Oh, they're all broken. That's why. They're all fucking broken.
Well, really?
Yeah, everything's broke now. I think. Not that one, but this one is. But it's doing these checks, or it was, hold on, it was last time. It was randomly letting me in. It was busted that one time. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, it's busted again here. Like it had one moment of not working. Ended up being this one. Said one's a 4 and it's intersecting. Or it's not intersecting.
Yeah, it should still. That's it, you win.
Yeah. But it didn't correct, so. Let's see. You're still the winner. Get your distance and you get your spike, and that's it. Nothing's unusual here. There's nothing wrong there.
Showing it?
So here's the checking if you win. If you're still the winner, which he was because we got here, you win. And that is set literally right here, so there's no chance for it to change between here and here. And so still the winner means you set
Shouldn't
your...
that be reversed?
No, you're still the winner.
Alright, yeah.
Starts off true, and it can only turn false as you go through. Still the winner.
Yeah.
True. You set your minimum distance and you set your spike. It's pretty cut and dry, so I don't know what the fuck it's doing. It works if you step it, but we've seen that shit. We've seen why that shit doesn't work. It's just randomly doesn't work.
Is it related to the last time we had this?
I don't know.
But the reverse ray is firing? You're saying?
Well, it doesn't check a reverse ray. But this is wrong still, if you see here. He's actually inside of it. It's still wrong. He doesn't check a reverse ray, he just checks to see if he's inside. So like this ray will hit this collider first at 0. If it happens to do that, it will tell it that it can't process it. But,
But it's only on that collider that fucks up?
seems like it. This one's seem okay. It's a little hard to tell because you zoomed out, but that looks normal. Seems normal.
Well, that's just the corner points.
No, I know. Just who knows what fucking broke. Yeah, we don't really have anything else to bump into, I think. Other than this.
Well, raise the left cube there to match it.
So we're pretty much out of time, but raise the left cube?
Well, you have 4 cubes in that section.
Yeah.
Make a inverted version of the other one on the right. I think you want to have 3 cubes on each side, actually. 1 in the ground like this, and 2 sticking out more and more.
Alright, we'll do this, but this is the last thing I can do.
I was thinking about the left side. That works perfectly fine.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to replicate the left on the right. Which this will do.
We just need a test space for different versions of this.
I think it's already foobar here, yeah. It broke here too.
Now jump to the other side. Test where Ricky's facing to the right.
This way? Oh yeah, he went right in. No, he didn't. Yes, he did. He still went in. He still crossed the border.
Well, we know the bottom didn't work.
The bottom used to work. It not working is a new thing.
I mean, the left side of the big collider.
Okay, what about it?
And then walking into those same corner spikes.
Broke.
Go up. Yeah, that's what I saw before.
That one worked this time. That doesn't mean it always works. Yeah, broke.
Oh.
He aligned on his top head part.
The only thing I can think of right now would be, say, disable the entire code block and just move the spike code out of it and see if that fixes it.
That's a tomorrow thing. Let's see. So we got a wall and a ceiling. Neither of them should have done their intersect test, and they didn't. But it still doesn't work. So something outside of this that's broken now again. We fixed this though. I fixed this. I don't know why it's not working now. Yeah, corner top right is what ended up hitting. Like it omitted this for some reason. I don't know.
I'm curious if doing all those tests first for the winner is affecting it somehow. But the proposal I gave you works. What it looks like.
It seems to, because of over here. This might not work without it. So, like if I literally turn it off, then theoretically we shouldn't be able to walk over those anymore. Nope, we can't. So you're right. That at least solves that part.
And in this state, do those other colliders still break?
Don't. Good point. Not yet. Did this one break, or was it just the other ones? Oh, that looks broken. Yep, broke. So, I don't think it has something to do with yours. Might have something to do with something else.
Well, now we know that at least.
So something else we changed, I think, fucked it up, and it might be what I did. Let's see. It's actually up here, right?
For the floor check, you mean the...
Yeah, this one here. Distance is 0, and the collider is not our collider box. You stop. Maybe that was it. Let's find out.